Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone and carriers support dual SIM because WhatsApp links to a single verified number per account. Once done, make sure both numbers can receive SMS or calls for verification. That's essential. Next, back up your current WhatsApp chats to cloud or local storage so nothing is lost. Now open WhatsApp and go to Settings to prepare for adding or switching accounts. Proceed steadily, because a wrong verification will force repeats. You will either install WhatsApp Business for a second account or use the app's built-in multi-account feature if available on your device. Next, choose Register or Add Account, enter the second phone number, and request the SMS or call verification. Enter the 6-digit code promptly. Make sure to grant storage and contact permissions so media and messages restore correctly. Once verified, restore any backup linked to that number. This keeps chat continuity and avoids lost messages, which is why restoration matters. You finish by configuring which SIM the phone uses for SMS or calls. This matters because verification codes must arrive on the chosen line. After verification, customize notifications and profile for each account so you can tell them apart. If the code doesn't arrive, make sure mobile data or SMS service is active, restart the phone, and re-request the code or accept the automated call. If problems persist, confirm backups exist before reinstalling or contacting support to avoid losing chats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.